retinol and how to begin using it. I really want to talk about this today because it's a question I get asked an awful lot of, and I know you're afraid to even try it because you've heard so many nasty things out there about how irritating it can be for your skin. We need to get past that, so let's talk about that today. LisaDL Liguori with Simple Beauty Minerals, and we're talking about how to get started with retinol and get to all the good parts of it. I'm not going to spend time on this video talking about all the benefits that retinol bring to your skin. I want you to go for that information. You can go to the video tab here on Instagram under the skincare and find a good tutorial there. Also, you can go to the simplebeautyminerals.com, the Simple Beauty blog, and just search for retinol and lots of good information will come up for you for all the benefits. And there are a ton of them for retinol. Suffice it to say, you want to be using it, you want to be using it consistently, and you never want to stop. The retinoid rules. First off, you're best to use it at night in your PM treatment. And 2, in the daytime, you want to make sure you are wearing a good sunscreen every single day. Even if you hadn't used your retinoid that evening, you want to consistently wear your sunscreen during the day. You want to make sure that your retinol is combined with hyaluronic acid. And that is what Behave has. It is combined with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration to protect your skin. So it's really, really gentle. You want to begin using it slowly and methodically. And you want to also work your acne treatments, if you do use some, into the program slowly as well. When you begin using retinol, there will be maybe minor irritations. That's very normal. Think about if you were running a marathon. You would prepare yourself. Just like with retinoids, you're going to prepare your skin. The more sensitive your skin is, the more slowly you want to go. So if you're using Behave, because it is combined in a moisturizing element and it has hyaluronic acid in it, you could use it, say, every other day for the first week or two and see how that feels. You may be able to switch right away to every day. And what you're looking for is any dryness, dry patches, any redness, any irritation. If you see that, you want to slow down. Okay, sensitive skins, remember, slow to start. Begin applying it directly on your skin dry. Ultimately, you want to apply it on your skin as it's a little bit damp right after you've applied your serum. That will give you the best absorption. But to start with, you're going to start with dry skin. Apply it after your moisturizer. And ultimately, you'll want to apply it before any additional moisturizer, if you even need any additional moisturizer with Behave, because remember, it is already combined with the moisturizing element. But for example, for myself, I always use the olive oil cream right afterwards because I have drier skin. All these techniques help water down the potency of retinoids, and that can really be helpful for sensitive skins or if you're just getting started. Again, ultimately, you want what your skin can best tolerate. And your ultimate goal, nightly usage on damp skin underneath your moisturizer. Also, it's totally safe to use retinoids around your eye area. This thin skin here can so benefit from the collagen boosting benefits of retinol. Experiment once, twice a week, maybe every other day, and just pat it on the bone here and up here. And you can even do it right on top of your eye cream. You can, if you're using Behave, you can just use Behave either under or over your eye cream. Experiment with that because there's so many benefits to get from that on that area that gets those fine lines so easily. And if you're using a prescription such as tretinoin, you can actually put a little dollop in your hand, mix it with your olive oil cream or your favorite moisturizer, and apply that directly to your face, your neck, and your chest, and then always extra to your hands. And that will be really helpful as well. So remember to check out the video tab here for more tutorials on skincare and the Simple Beauty blog at simplebeautyminerals.com. I'll see you there.